Hi guys, Country back here for another Wicked Workbench Customs products review, and today we're going to be doing one other Iwata workstation product. As I did previously, like a week or so ago I believe, maybe even 2 weeks, I did the Iwata spray out pot, and I said it was part of an Iwata workstation. Okay, so now the second part of the product has come in. The Iwata Universal Airbrush Holder. As you can see, it holds side feed, trigger top feed, gravity feed, or whatever you want to call it. And then it holds regular gravity fed, and then it holds bottom siphon fed too. Double action, of course, or single action. Some single actions. However, it does not work too well with a Pasha H. That's the downfall. Works great with a VL, but anyway. So, what you get in the box. Instructions, of course, in Japanese and English. And this is what I mean by the workstation. That is the complete workstation right there. So, first of all, you get this clamp, which clamps up to onto up to a 3-inch table. It says. All right. This little bracket here. Now, remember this little bracket here. Something special about it, and also there's something special about this little screw here. And then you've got your airbrush holding pieces, and that's everything in the box. Now shut the box, show you guys a whole round view. And then look, there's that workstation logo. It's also on the Iwata spray out pot one too. I did have, I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, and then there's the front of the box, and then the back of the box, which shows it assembled. Now I'm going to show you guys how to assemble this. Okay, so first off, take this. Okay, start opening it up. Get it to about the size of your table, which mine's only about that thick. So faster to do it this way. And then also take this off, but be very careful because there is a washer on there. Okay. So what you got to do is take your brackets. Now these are left and right brackets, okay? This is your left one, which always is going to be on top of the right one. So you have to set them like this, okay? If you set them the opposite way, one's taller than the other, and it looks really, really goofy and stupid. So, just fair warning. Alright, so you take your bracket, mount it to your table, right? Okay, it's mounted to my table now. Right here. Can't really see it that well, sorry. Okay, so you take your spray out pot. Remember this piece? Go ahead and just wiggle that out. Put it off to the side. Take this piece, which I dropped. Sorry, guys. Where that piece goes, stick it in there gently. Don't push out here because you'll bend the tab. Okay, now push it until it stops. Okay, like so. Okay, now take your left bracket and your right bracket, or left bracket, right bracket. This, okay, now spray out pot goes on first. Set it there. Okay, make sure it's lined up with the hole. Okay, take your right bracket, set it on first, then your left bracket. Okay, hold them up in the air is a little easier too. Then insert the screw part. Okay, then set it down and then start gently screwing it in. Okay, now line your airbrush holders up where you want them. Okay, you may even want to, kind of hold them in place until you tighten it a little bit. I want mine pretty close together. So, oh, and another thing is if these don't fit your airbrush completely right, you can bend them to fit and to hold it in the angle that you want to. Like, it's actually a really nice setup. You guys will be really impressed if you get it. Okay. So, now that is 3 out of 4 of the Iwata workstation products. Now, if you take the cup off, you can sit it there in one of these, but I mean, it doesn't work that good for this. Now, most other airbrushes it'll work great for, like my Neo, for instance, or the other ones from I get this one from TCP Global Master Airbrush, but there's my Iwata Neo. That's great on every single one. And what I meant by the angle part was you can bend it up if you want a little bit, so it sits a little higher, or bend it to the side, wherever you want. You can put it off to the side like this if you want, and then just move it wherever you want. And I'll detach it here from the table. And this is the assembled product. Pretty cool. Now, that little screw I was mentioning before is actually for the Iwata moisture trap part, which is over $100, so it's going to take me a little bit before I actually do a review on that. It's quite expensive, and I just had a newborn, so I'm not going to be spending too much more on diapers than anything. But anyway, guys, this has been Country for another Wicked Workbench review. Have a good one. Keep it wicked as always, guys.